Good morning, children. Let us start our day with today's thought. Every day is something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. It means every day something happened that will help you to make you closer to the better tomorrow. That means something helps you to make your future better and best. Children, today we will start a new topic 2.9 writing skill, and in that writing skill we will learn how to write a story. Okay, now see, this is your page 2.9 writing skills, and in that writing skills we will see a story writing. Learn with fun. Which different stories do you know? Now you must be knowing many stories, yes or no? Children, tell me, who tell you stories every night? Correct, your grandma. Which stories do you like to hear? I think the stories of fairy, stories with with different morals, and fables. Fables? Fable means a story in which the characters are animals. Animals are working as a character. So you like to listen different animal character stories. Yes or no? So today in this lesson we will learn how to write a story, and we have to write the story with the help of given hint words. We will see here. Okay. Now tell any other of the story you know. So you must be knowing many stories. So you will tell one story which you know to your mother today. Note down the important words from the story. In every story there are few important words. So you will note it down. Okay. Now we will see the exercise. Complete the following story with the help of hints given in the bracket. So here hints are given and we will read first. Okay. The first word is wandered. 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 Children, these hints are given on page number 30. You will read it again in at home. Wandered means to roam here and there without any purpose. My friend. The monkey. Be his friend. Too big. The rabbit was too big. Save other weak animals. To save the weaker animals. To solve the problem. Went back to other animals, and together and said. Together means combinedly they said something. So these are the hints, and using these hints we have to complete the story. Can you see a picture is given of the story? Yes. So now we will see the main story. This story is given on page number 31, and the name of the story is The Elephant and the Friends. So this is the story, it is given on page number 31. Children, you will complete this story in the book itself. No need to write down in the copy. Okay. So children, I have already written here the answers with the color pen. So you will write only the red colored part in your textbook page number 31. Okay, now we will start the story. So name of the story is The Elephant and the Friends. A lone elephant. Alone means akela. He is not having any friend. So a lone elephant wandered. What he was doing? He was wandering. He was roaming here then in the search of friends. He was not having any friend in the forest looking for friends. So he was roaming in the forest for looking for the friends. He met a monkey. So he first met a monkey and asked means पूछा उनसे, will you be my friend? So he asked the monkey, will you be my friend? क्या तुम मेरे friend बनोगे? You are too big and cannot swing on trees as I do. but so I cannot be your friend, said the monkey. So the monkey replied, you are too big. तुम बहुत बड़े हो and you cannot swing. Swing यानी झूलना from tree to tree. We know that monkey swing from tree to tree. And he is saying, you are too big. You cannot swing from one tree to another. So you cannot be my friend. The elephant then met a rabbit. After that, he met a rabbit and asked him if he could be his friend. Again, he asked that, will you be my friend? You are too big to fit inside my burrow. Rabbit also replied in the same way, you are too big. तुम बहुत बड़े हो and you cannot fit inside my burrow. Burrow means the home of the rabbit is called a burrow. You cannot be my friend, replied the rabbit. Rabbit also replied in the same way. Then the elephant asked a fox. Now on his way, he got a fox. He got the same reply. From fox also, he get the same reply. Same जवाब मिला उसको fox से भी what? That he was too big. The next day, all the animals were running in a fear. Now it happened, no one was ready to make friendship with the elephant. So he went away. And in the next morning, what away? Next day, all the animals were running in fear. Fear means dar ke mare. They were afraid and they were running here and there. The elephant stopped a bear and asked. Then he got an elephant, stopped the bear. What happened? Why are you running here and there? What was happening? And was told that a tiger has been attacking all the animals. So the bear replied, told him that a tiger has appeared in the forest and he is very hungry and he is attacking all the animals. So all are running here and there in fear. The elephant wanted to save other weak animals. So elephant was very kind hearted. He was very loyal. बहुत दयालु था. So he wanted to save all the weak animals. He went to the tiger and said, please sir, leave my friends alone. So he went there and he requested first, please don't harm my friends and make them alone. The tiger did not listen, but tiger was hungry and he wanted to eat that animal, so he did not listen, feeling no other way to solve the problem. Now elephant first requested him not to trouble my friends, but he did not listen. So now, seeing that there is no other way to solve the problem, अब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का दूसरा कोई तरीका नहीं था. द एलिफेंट किक्ड द टाइगर, किक्ड punch or the kick with the foot and scared it away. Scared means डरा देना, और डरा के उसको भगा दिया. Elephant then went back to other animals. Now the tiger went away. So he went back to other animals and told them what happened. And he went there, he called all the animals and told them the whole story, how he frightened or the tiger and he was scared and it went away, and told them what happened. After listening to the elephant, now when all the animals listened to the elephant, the animals agreed together and say, now all the other animals, they realized their mistake. They did not make friendship with the elephant, so they realized their mistake and altogether they agreed together, sab maan gaye, and said, you are just the right size to be our friend. Now no one was bothered with his size and they said, you are of the right size to be our friend. So children, what we have learned from the story, moral of the story, friends come in all shapes and size. We should not bother about the size of the friends. While you also डिस्क्रिमिनेट ना, कि नहीं तू तो बहुत, तेरी हाइट तो बहुत छोटी है, कोई तुम तो बहुत लंबे हो, मेरे फ्रेंड कैसे बन सकते हो. सो द साइज एंड द शेप डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस टू मेक एनी friend. If the person is nice, if your friend is good, it doesn't matter whether he is tall or short, whether he is fat or thin. So size doesn't matter to make a person your best friend. So children, I hope you have understood the story. You have to write the blank part which I have written with the color pencil in your book only. So children, the next part we will see in the next period. Till then, complete this work. We will see you in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.